Good morning, YouTube. This is Garrett Hanning at Cliff Jones RV and Tractor in Sealy, Texas. Just want to remind you to like, share, and subscribe for more great content like this. Today, I'd like to show you our Winnebago models. This is an awesome mini model. This is our Bunkhouse 2801 BHS. It's an all aluminum build by Winnebago. No cranks on anything. All powered on the tongue jack, all powered on the stabilizers. Fully runs on solar power. That means you can get the lights running, the awning running, and the slide running, as well as that 12-volt fridge, no problem. It takes about 45 minutes for that sucker to cool down. Why don't you come check this bad boy out with me? Walking into this model, right away, you'll see that it comes with all the standard safety features, fire extinguisher, CO2 alarm, as well as a smoke detector. But right inside, you have all your controls to your lighting here, as well as your electric tanks, water pumps, gas, everything like that, as well as entrance to your bunk area right here. So yeah, they give you a nice ladder area so you can easily climb up. Kids, adults, doesn't matter. You have the larger size bunks here. Also gives you nice window space right there. Beautiful privacy curtain. And then you also have the back exit there. So you need to do more storage underneath, or you just need an easy escape. Back exit right there. Perfect. And also, you can't forget, when you walk inside, you have this great pantry here. And I'm just going to step inside so you can see how big this is. I'm a 6-foot-tall guy. You have a lot of room in this pantry, even a nice cloak closet here. Something I really like about Winnebago's, light switches throughout. So you can just turn that sucker off, flick of a light switch. I'm going to squeeze right around. Another really nice feature about this is the bathroom. You have a lot of extra leg room in here. As you can see, it's not a squared off room. You get a little bit more room in there. So, yep, very nice. You got that mirror. Everything locks in too. So when you're driving down the road, you're not gonna have to worry about this swinging. Easy lock in, store all your toothbrushes, whatever you need. You got a little bit more storage underneath. Nice sink area. As I say before, plenty of leg room. Not gonna demonstrate this time, my legs hurt. Got plenty of headroom. Just so you can see in the shower, I am 6 foot tall, quite wide here. I eat a lot on Thanksgiving, so it shows. So plenty of headroom going here, and they give you the nice wand, so clean yourself wherever you need to. You also have this nice extra venting here, so let in some air. It's got a nice fan. You can get that flipping on, get some more airflow going through here. So we're going to walk on through. Oh, can't forget, light switches. Love it. Going throughout the unit. This unit's also going to have 2 ACs. It's a 50 amp, so your first AC is going to be right in the living kitchen area right here. Second one is going to be dedicated to the bedroom. It's also fully ducted throughout. So on the inside here, we have our living and entertainment section. So on the inside, you'll have Bluetooth speakers. They'll be the JBL brand. They'll also be on the outside. You also have this nice entertainment section. Already comes with a TV. Already includes wireless phone charging sections right here. Here's your control to your speakers. And then they give you plenty of storage going throughout, as well as right above here. And I absolutely love the seating right here. If you need to, you can pull this out into extra bed space. You also have a nice dinette area here. We'll also drop down into bed space. They give you plenty of windows so you can enjoy your adventure. You get USB, USB-C, extra wall outlets going throughout. You get more storage going through under here. It goes all the way throughout. So like I was saying before, plenty of storage throughout this bad boy. Take everything that's important to you and your family on your trips. So you also have this lovely kitchen area here. With Winnebago, they give you a lot of beautiful countertop space. Nice window right here while you're cooking, doing your dishes. You can look out at your adventure. 3 stovetop burner, convection microwave, and of course you have the fridge. And as I was saying before, we're running on solar right now, so the lights will run on solar. The fridge will run on solar. Awning, slide, no problem. Fridge takes about 45 minutes to fully get going. You don't have to wait all day. You don't have to start your RV a day before, 2 days before, just to start your adventure and store stuff in there. 45 minutes. So moving on here. We have the main bedroom here. You have a nice door here, so this will slide so you can get extra privacy. We have cable connects in here, so you can get a TV in here. Plenty of windows, let in the sunlight, or knock out the sunlight. You don't have to have it. We've got the blinds right here, blackout. No need for the sun if you don't want it. Queen size bed, easy exit from either side. No one's climbing over each other in the middle of the night. And of course, they give you more storage right underneath. And no need to hold that up. It holds it up for you. Perfect. Easy, simplistic. Winnebago's got you covered. So And as I was saying before, they give you plenty of storage throughout. It locks in. You're not going to have any issues driving down the road, swinging, popping open. Nice coat hanger. And then easy flick on the night switch right there. And of course, each side gets their own dedicated table, own dedicated drawer space. So you get all the comforts of home while being away from home, or if you're living in it full time, you're at home. So check out the outside with me, folks. Let's go see it. Now remember to like, share, and subscribe for more great Cliff Jones content. If you want to see more Winnebagos, you want to see more Forest River, we have it here at Cliff Jones. I'd love to get it out to you. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. So on the outside of this model, you get 2 propane tanks, as I was saying before, powered tongue jacks, powered stabilizers. Your front stabilizers here, you can easily control that side and that side right in there. And then on the back, you have the back stabilizers, easy control on the back side right there. You also have your battery right here with your solar disconnect. Walking through, you have pass-through storage. And of course, you have this beautiful color, just like the inside going out. So if you really like those bright colors, Winnebago is gonna be your bang, okay? The pass-through storage they even give you. So coming with it, you're gonna get power cable for it. They do have an outdoor shower area, so they already got you set there. And if anything does happen, you do have cranks. So moving on through, we have our nice outdoor awning section. So this will extend. You have nice Bluetooth speakers on the outside. That's the JBL brand. Super nice. This is a dual axle unit. And then of course, you can't have a vacation without a cooking session outside. So they got you fully stocked. You got plenty of prep area. You have a nice outdoor grill area, and they've already included the flat top. Best way to make some smash burgers, if you know what I mean. So, and of course, you can't have a cookout without beers. So we've already included the fridge. So, and another thing with this, we already have the back tire on the back. You have this back escape. And with our mini models, they'll already include the ladder. No need for an extra purchase. And it's already pre-wired for a backing camera. And if you need to, back hitch, go ahead and tow. So if you need a great model, bunkhouse for the whole family, you need extra sleeping space, maybe a nice new home, you want this bright colored Winnebago, come find me here at Cliff Jones RV and Tractor in Sealy, Texas. Ask for me, Garrett, ask for Steve, Jay, Henry. We'd love to get you in your perfect camper. Maybe you're looking for a tractor, mower, or power sport. We have it all here at Cliff Jones. So remember, like, share, and subscribe for more content, and come see us here at Cliff Jones RV and Tractor in Sealy, Texas.